From day one, our windows have been engineered to require as little ongoing maintenance as possible. However, there are still a few things we can't prevent, such as dust, dirt, and staining from spills or splatters. This video supports the instructions and information in the Renewal by Andersen Care and Maintenance Guide. Here are some tips to help keep your windows clean. Please refer to the Care and Maintenance Guide for more details. Before you proceed, please confirm your window is the DG model of our Acclaim double-hung window. To check this, look for the word tilt on your locking mechanism. If this is not present, you have the DB model of our Acclaim double-hung window. Please refer to the Acclaim double-hung DB tilting instructions. To clean the outside glass, locate the lock and move it to the unlocked position. Open the window slightly and press the lever to the tilt position at the far right and pull the sash towards you. On large windows that have more than one lock, the active lock with tilt latch mechanism is always on the right side. Position the sash on a solid surface and clean as needed. To tilt the upper sash, slide the window down and locate the upper sash tilt button within the top of the window sash. Press the button and pull the sash towards you. Position the upper sash on a solid surface and clean as needed. To close the sashes, tilt the upper sash back to the upright position while pressing the tilt button. Once fully vertical, release the button to engage the tilt bolts into the side jam track. Push the sash down to engage the balancer springs. Then, push the sash up to the head jam. Next, tilt the lower sash to a vertical position while pressing the lever to the tilt position until the sash is vertical. Release the lock handle to extend the tilt bolts into the side jam track. Then, push the sash down to engage the balancers. Fully close the lower sash and move the lever to the locked position. Thank you for watching our step-by-step guide on how to tilt to clean your Acclaim double-hung DG window. Visit renewalbyandersen.com for helpful care and maintenance information.